Oh my goodness. I'm not going to sugarcoat this, guys. This is an emergency Bitcoin update as Bitcoin has just dumped about 6% to the downside, but is now currently getting a small bounce back up about 3%. So what the heck is going on? We're going to be getting into that. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. So we can see that for the past few days, almost a week and a half now, Bitcoin has been trading within this sideways range. And the encouraging news about this massive drop and where we're currently bouncing is the fact that all the levels are being very respected. In fact, in the Casper crew, in the VIP Discord, where I post my trading plans every day, we were looking for the following to happen. We were looking for Bitcoin to get a move down to $29,884, which we did. We got to move down to $29,884 for a bounce. We were looking to take out the highs right over here. As you can see, we were looking to get the bounce back up to these highs where we were looking to take another short trade, which we did take that short trade, as you can see right here. And then we were also looking for a bounce from the very key level down here where we were looking to take the overall low of the range with bullish divergences for a bullish move back to the upside. Now, currently, you can see we're coming down right to the level where we were looking for that bounce. And right now, I'm super bummed out because my exchange was not working during this move to the downside. MEXC went down. During this move, I had to FOMO in on a different exchange with a crappy entry, but nonetheless, I did happen to catch this long because I do believe if certain things happen, this could be a very major bottom. So are we actually going to get a significant bounce from here? Well, let's take a look at this objectively. We have just flushed out every single long trader who has been long since last Thursday. And when we take a look at our oscillator market Cipher B, we are seeing right now a very bullish pattern printing, which basically as the price is getting lower, the momentum waves are getting higher. If we can now confirm a green dot on the 1 hour market Cipher B that's higher than these previous waves right here, in my opinion, that is very bullish because then if we go to the 4 hour time frame, we will be printing what I like to call the juicy uneven butt cheek pattern, where as the price is getting lower into a key level of support, market Cipher B starts to look like these uneven butt cheeks, where we have a very juicy left butt cheek over here, full of juice and gravy, and then a very skinny right butt cheek over here, not full of juice, not full of any gravy, just some skinny old bones in there. So I'm going to be watching my 1 hour. I do believe that there's a very good chance that if this thing confirms, we will see a new high put in. The reason is because we flushed out all the longs in this range. We've taken the lows. Now we can come up to make a new high. Liquidity has been injected into the market. And as long as we hold above $30,000 right here, this is the value area low of the range, more upside is probable. The main area of local resistance right now is going to be 30,600. If we reclaim 30,600, I do believe we are going to put in a new high. I'm still holding the swing long trade that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. I am in a short trade as well in case we do not come up to that area. And guys, unfortunately for me, is this going to result in a more downward movement, or are we going to get a big bounce? Well, guys, I will be honest. I am bullish right now on Bitcoin, and here's my reasoning for being bullish. We have just wiped out all the liquidity in this range that we've been trading basically since last Thursday. And if we take a look at the 4 hour time frame here, very much so, we could confirm a very bullish divergence here. If we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, we could see that we have the potential for a massively bullish divergence right here. If we take a look at the 12-minute time frame, we can see that we are indeed printing some very, very bullish looking divergences on the oscillator as the Bitcoin is coming down to the key level. So what is a bullish divergence? A bullish divergence is as the price is getting lower to a key zone of support, like we see right here. If our oscillator over time is getting higher and higher and higher, well, then that means we can expect a move to the upside. Now, unfortunately, guys, I've had some serious issues with my exchanges today. MEXC is currently down, which is a huge bummer. I was able to get into a long over on Bitget, but my entry was not that great. So that is the unfortunate news about this entire day, guys. But I do have to say this. Right now, we are looking at the Bitcoin price. We are trading this sideways range. We are coming back inside of the value area. What does that mean? That means if we can hold above this very key level of $30,170, I am expecting a bullish move back up to put in a new high. The major zones that we need to be aware of right now for a potential rejection are the following. So on our way up, we want to keep in mind the Fibonacci Golden Pocket retracement coming in at $30,600. If we can reclaim $30,600, I believe we're putting in a new high. In my opinion, the main thing to look out for right now is going to be the 1 hour oscillator. If we can actually confirm a bullish divergence here, meaning if the momentum wave does not come down lower than the previous momentum waves and we can hold this important support, I believe we're going to come up much higher. Of course, the issue is if we don't confirm any bullish divergences here, well, we could get much more movement to the downside, coming all the way down to 28,500 or potentially even lower. So this is a very, very key make it or break it level. The low of the range, we flushed out all the longs who have been here with their stop losses below all these lows. This is the make it or break it moment. Let's pump Bitcoin straight up to 100K, baby. Let's go.